Every day, I get asked the same question: how can I get rid of belly fat? I totally understand why. I used to be so frustrated with my belly. I looked like I was about 3 months pregnant and wore big baggy shirts to cover it. I have been where you are today. But then I spent years figuring out what was causing my belly fat and learned how to get rid of it for good. My goal for writing this book is to teach you how to get rid of your belly fat once and for all. When I went on the Steve Harvey morning show, I showed them before and after photos of my belly that I had taken with my cell phone. They were amazed by the difference and suggested I share the pictures on my website. Well, as struggling with weight is deeply personal, I couldn't bring myself to post them then. However, my clients will tell you that I do know what works and works very well for getting rid of belly fat. But for the sake of convincing any doubters, I will finally share the photos so that readers can see the results of these 6 strategies that helped me get rid of my belly fat without exercise. I must say I'm so excited to write this book because you have asked for it. Every single day someone asks me how to get rid of belly fat. I have answered that by creating the most comprehensive program ever created on how to get rid of belly fat once and for all. Yes, it's possible to lose belly fat without exercise, without sit-ups or crunches, without long boring cardio workouts, without ab belts or gadgets, and no fad diets. I want to tell you a little secret that weight loss experts know. It is really important to understand this concept. Here's what we know: there is body fat and there is what is called stubborn body fat. Belly fat is stubborn body fat because this type of fat sticks to the stomach and generally doesn't respond very well to exercise or traditional dieting. Generally speaking, eating healthy and being physically active will help you lose body fat. But that stubborn body fat is a different kind of fat, and that's what belly fat is. Now I have some bad news about belly fat. Most people do not know that belly fat is actually the most dangerous fat on the body. Why? Because of where it's located around the delicate organs, it has the potential to destroy good health, or worse yet, kill you. Because belly fat resides within striking distance of your heart, liver, and other delicate organs, it is to blame for many health conditions. According to a 2006 study published in the journal Obesity, belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is a significant predictor of early death. In other words, visceral fat belly fat means you have an increased risk for a shortened life. Even if you were to remove visceral fat via liposuction, allowing you to look better on the outside, that would do little to improve your overall health because the dangers of visceral fat would still exist for you. The good news is that I have created a comprehensive program with 6 ways you can get rid of belly fat, visceral fat, and none of them involves exercise. One reason I don't focus on exercises to flatten the stomach is because we already know this advice and have heard it over and over again. How many fitness trainers do we need to tell us that we should do sit-ups and ab crunches to lose belly fat? We've heard it, yet so many of us are still struggling to get those slim, sexy abs that we desire. Now, do ab crunches and sit-ups work? Fitness experts tell me that they do. But I don't do any of these sorts of exercises and neither do most of my clients, yet we've all achieved a flatter stomach and slimmer waistline. I do not teach things that I don't do myself. I'd rather leave that to the fitness trainers. If you choose to do ab crunches, go right ahead. They may even help. But they're not required in order to get results with this program. I have personally used these 6 strategies I'm going to share in this book and have successfully gotten rid of my belly fat. And I'm so happy about that. In the beginning of this book, I shared a few of the testimonials from others who have had success losing belly fat with these 6 strategies. And you, too, can get a slimmer waistline and get right off belly fat without exercise. I will hold your hand and show you step by step how to do this. To be responsible, I will give you my public service announcement about exercise. We should all get as much exercise as possible because it's good for overall health. I am definitely not against exercise. It would be irresponsible of me to discourage exercise. I always encourage people to get more active and to get moving. It's great for cardio health. I want you to understand that everyone has flat abs underneath once you get rid of the fat. So, we focus on burning that fat away so you can naturally reveal your sexy, slimmer abs. They are already under there, we just have to burn that belly fat away. It is possible to lose belly fat without sit-ups, crunches, long cardio workouts, or ab belts and other gadgets. And without going on a fad diet. You really have a choice today. You can invest in you, not just because belly fat is dangerously unhealthy, but so you can have those slimmer, sexier, healthier abs you desire.